Well, it was just 5 guys on a night out. Oh, looks like they could box your lights out. Insatiable hunger, looking for the one they could take home right now. They're all getting salty. Wanna be something, but they're just not fast enough. Wanna be that Mac Daddy, but this Game of Thrones is just too tough. You can't be the king if you taste like shit. The other 4 guys don't mind a bit. And these randy bob bandies are so demanding. Not the pat flat, but I'm still standing. Wendy's just another silly girl I knew, but those days are all long gone. If you were right the first time, then how could you be wrong? Oh, you're 23 years old now. Stick with what you know. The burger joint just down the road seems like the place to go. Oh, it's comfortable and inviting, and it won't tell you lies. Oh, that bacon cheeseburger with those damn good fries. Well, I was just feeling kinda greasy. Back streets feels kinda sleazy. Prices hiked as high as your tights, and I can't help just feeling queasy. Thank God it's Friday. Said nobody ever as we all flew out the door, acting up like a Dairy Queen, and a size queen's always wanting more. KFC, more like JFC. I wanna try something new to me. In with excitement, out with scoff. This disappointment can fun right off. It might be fun, but I'll never shack. If I die before then of a heart attack. If there's never a first time, then how can I come back? Oh, you're 23 years old now. Stick with what you know. Burger joint just down the road seems like the place to go. Oh, it's comfortable and inviting, and it won't tell you lies. Oh, I'm that bacon cheeseburger with those damn good fries. Have your burger however you like. No, I don't mind. No, I don't mind. I'm just looking for the right one for me. Don't care how long it takes to find. However you like. No, I don't mind. No, I don't mind. I know she's the right one for me. Just to stress away from the daily grind. However you like. No, I don't mind. No, I don't mind. I'm just looking for the right one for me. Don't care how long it takes to find. However you like. No, I don't mind. No, I don't mind. I know she's the right one for me. Just to stress away from the daily grind. However you like. No, I don't mind. No, I don't mind. I'm just looking for the right one for me. Don't care how long it takes to find. However you like. No, I don't mind. No, I don't mind. I know she's the right one for me. Just to stress away from the daily grind. However you like. No, I don't mind. No, I don't mind. I'm just looking for the right one for me. Don't care how long it takes to find. However you like. No, I don't mind. No, I don't mind. I know she's the right one for me. Just to stress away from the daily grind. When you're over, I feel so weightless. And when we kiss, I can't explain the superhuman. The truth is, you got me hypnotized. I'm feeling so obsessed with you. You left me paralyzed, yeah. And now I'm stuck. You got me stuck. Ooh. I never knew just what I wanted. I still don't know. It's all the same. It's all the same. You picked asking up. Oh no, I started. The truth is, yeah, you got me hypnotized. I'm feeling so obsessed with you. You left me paralyzed. Yeah, now I'm stuck. You got me stuck. Ooh, you got me hypnotized. I'm feeling so obsessed with you. You left me paralyzed. Yeah, now I'm stuck. You got me stuck. Ooh, I'm fucking crazy. Tear down piece by piece, seam by seam. No, they will murder everything, and all she has left is her angelic dream. No, lost to the rags, stitch after stitch, she never gives up. The light on her shirt again, but she does it all for love. Petty like a petticoat, oh, with the words she wrote that they never heard her speak, in a dress bespoke. Ooh, sail away for that safer coon, darling, do feel comfortable just being you. Wear a smile, wear a frown, wear it up when it wears you down, darling. Wear whatever you like. they will tear her down. Oh, prick after prick, yeah, they're all the same. And she skims to tell the story of her wounds that she hides 'cause she's ashamed. Lost to the rags, tears in her eyes and mud on her shoes. She wants to scream that she loves her, but they just make her sing the blues. It wasn't about the jeans she wore, 'cause she's got the price tag in that store. It's not enough, it's not enough, it should be more. Ooh, sail away for that safer coon. Darling, do feel comfortable just being you. Wear a smile, wear a frown, wear it up when it wears you down. Darling, wear whatever you like. She's stronger than the mountains, lacing up her boots. They feel heavy as the burden that she bears. Who cares what she wears? Try as you might, it's you she doesn't like. Sail away for that safer coon. Darling, do feel comfortable just being you. Wear a smile, wear a crown, I'll be there if you're feeling down. Darling, wear whatever you like. Sail away for that safer coon. Wear a smile, wear a frown, wear it up if it wears you down. Darling, wear